ChatGPT's update, ChatGPT 5, just changed the AI world forever. If you ever thought of creating an AI avatar account but thought it's too late, with this update, you really have a chance to start and grow even faster than everybody else with the new features of ChatGPT 5. I know there are already a ton of people that create AI videos about making money, about AI tools and AI news. But with this update, we can start and create superior content that will make you go viral in just a few weeks. I will show you how you use ChatGPT 5 to find the perfect niche, to find the perfect video ideas, the video script, the video titles, and even create the AI avatar for our videos. And that way faster than our competition. And they get millions of views. It doesn't mean that you can do the same thing using AI. I mean, I grew this account to 60,000 followers in just a few months, and I will show you how I did it and how you can do it better than me by using ChatGPT 5. Before I start showing you how to create actual content with ChatGPT 5, let's first talk about the things that changed. If you go to ChatGPT 5, you will notice that everything looks a bit different. This update combined every GPT in just one place. ChatGPT 5 is way better in coding and creating apps, games. If you want to do that, you can create websites, apps, or anything else with ChatGPT 5. For an influencer, this changed how I analyze accounts, how I analyze competitors, how I find viral video ideas and titles, and also how you can do the same thing. So, the first thing we will do is to find our niche. How we will do this with ChatGPT 5. So, I would go to ChatGPT and first look for YouTube accounts that are doing a similar thing that you want to start. For example, I went to 3 accounts that do videos about AI avatars. They don't have to be in the same niche, just about AI avatars, and these ones are talking about making money, monetizing and AI. But they're all using an AI avatar. I went to ChatGPT and put in 3 links of 3 YouTube channels that are really similar and they make a lot of views using an AI avatar. With that, I texted, I want to start the Faces YouTube channel, but I am looking for a niche. These people are already doing ways to make money with AI. So I want a different niche. With this, I tell ChatGPT that I want to create a channel about an AI avatar, but not the same thing as all the people on YouTube do. With that, ChatGPT 5 actually analyzes YouTube and goes into detail looking for example, finding me a video from a different account, finding me different niches that are really good, and he explains which niche is good and which niche just isn't good. With this, we found our niche. The niche that I chose and ChatGPT chose for me is AI tools and breakthrough explained. So tutorials and actual news on AI and everything similar to AI. We could do a lot of things about editing tools, about AI tools, about things that are new to the AI world. We can do a lot of things in this niche. Then I went back to ChatGPT and asked it, yes, can you look for channels on YouTube in that niche? Can you look for channels on YouTube in that niche? Which videos work, which topics work, and why do they work? Give me examples and a full breakdown. With this, again, ChatGPT 5 goes in that niche that we gave it, and he finds 5 channels that are in the niche and are creating similar videos. You can see that it's not perfect because these are not AI avatars, but they are actual human beings talking about AI. But it doesn't really matter, because we will create an AI avatar that looks like an actual human being, and people will not even know if it's AI or if it's an actual human. So we'll know that this niche can grow and this niche can actually get views. And we know from these channels with over 300,000 subscribers, here again, or 100,000 subscribers, that these actually get followers, subscribers, and actually even thousands of views. Now I asked it again, okay, go to the channels, MadVidPro, AI Future Tech Pilots, and analyze the account. What kind of videos perform the best? Analyze them. Please give me the perfect first video title, and video idea to start my YouTube channel. So with that, again, ChatGPT will go on their YouTube accounts and analyze the best videos they actually did. If we break down the videos that perform the best, which topic did they talk about, and it will find an actual video idea for me. In this case, it's Midjourney V8 just released. But I know that Midjourney is expensive and I don't want to pay for that in this video. But this is actually a really good video idea because everybody knows what Midjourney is and everybody wants to know which kind of update is there to know. So I actually asked it to find me something for free and found me the ideogram update talking about consistent AI avatars. And I think looking at YouTube, this video idea is huge. Everybody wants to know how to create these consistent AI avatars for free and actually release an AI tool for free that can do this. So we have now our video idea, we have our video title, and we have our video topic. Now, after analyzing and finding our script and title, I have to tell you something before we head on to creating your AI avatar. If you want to actually learn on a one-on-one call how to do this in the best way possible with me as your mentor, you can sign up on a one-on-one call for completely free right now. I will teach you how you can make your actual AI avatar and make your first $5,000 in just 90 days. That's a guarantee from me, from all the experience that I have on helping other people achieve their dreams with an AI avatar business. If you want, this is just a 30 minutes free call to know if this is something you want to start. Just go down below, book your call, and from there on, we will start your journey on becoming an AI avatar and making your first $5,000 in 90 days. If you're interested, I have 4 spots left, so be fast and start your journey right now. Okay, now that we created our video idea, the next step is to create our first script. For that, we will go to ChatGPT again. We will type in, okay, now that we created the idea about creating consistent characters with ideogram, let's create the first script for our YouTube video, analyze other YouTube videos and understand why they went viral, and create a script for a 5-minute video, create it so I can put it in 11 Labs and create a voiceover with it. With that, ChatGPT doesn't create an unnecessary long script with things that I can't use in 11 Labs, just a raw script that I can just copy and paste. It wasn't perfect, so I had to fix it and type something like make it longer for a 5-minute video and use ideogram website as a reference. With that, ChatGPT actually uses a reference on ideogram and creates a script like the ones that went viral from YouTube, and using ideogram as a reference because we will need that while creating our video at the end. With that, we create our script. That script we will just copy and paste it into 11 Labs. That's one of the best AI voice generators out there. You can use it in the description as a link, you can use that. Just put it in, choose one of the voices, it doesn't really matter which, just choose one of the more realistic ones and then click on generate speech. With that, we have our voice and script. The last thing we need for the video is our AI avatar. For the AI avatar, we will go to ChatGPT again. We will say something like, now that we created our voiceover, I want to create an AI avatar. Can you help me with the creation of that? Analyze the YouTube channels that you gave me and create an AI avatar for me that looks like them. So with that, ChatGPT analyzes why these YouTube accounts went viral and will create an AI avatar looking similar to those that went viral. For example, I just put in this prompt and I got this guy as an example as a result. You can also just change it up and say create a red t-shirt or make this guy Asian or something. It doesn't really matter. But this is how I would do this. Download this image and go to Leonardo AI. With this, you can upscale the image and make it a better quality. Not just the quality will be better, also the realism of the image will be better. For example, you can see that by putting it here, the realism and the actual human looks a bit more realistic. The next part is to create our talking AI avatar. This is HeyGen. HeyGen is the best AI avatar, talking AI avatar platform out there right now. You probably wonder, there are a lot of out there, but this is the free version of HeyGen. You can pay for it and it will create videos in a better quality. But for this, I will show it to you for free. Just put in your AI avatar here and click on upload. Then you can just put in your audio here on the where it says audio and put in the voiceover that I created a few seconds ago. With this, that's it. This is it. This is the whole process of creating an AI avatar. This is the free version. If you want to create motions and head movements and creating it in a better quality, you have to actually pay for it. But I wanted to show you for completely free because we can actually do something about the quality right now. If you created the video, we can just go to CapCut Video Upscaler. Go to CapCut, go to Magic Tools, and go to CapCut Upscaler. With this, just put in your video and click on Upscale. You don't have to pay for it for Heijan, but I would recommend you to pay for it. But if you don't want to, just go on CapCut Upscaler and put it in and just upscale your video in just a few seconds. It's completely free. You can use it unlimited amount of times. So you can choose whatever you want to do. Then the next thing we have to do is to create our video. The editing is probably the most important part about this. I noticed that most people are creating videos in a really simple style. Just the face cam, just the footage of the video and the website, and that's it. We don't need any more than that. So I go to ChatGPT and ask it, I created the talking avatar. What do I do now for the video? What would you recommend? And it says the same thing. Create a hook, plan the visuals, and keep it simple. Editing style, quick cuts. You can do cuts, you can do captions, you can do zoom-ins, but we don't need any other things than that. You will need some footage from Ideogram. So I would go to Ideogram. And just screen record the things that you want to show in your video. That's it. For example, go to upload one of your faces. For example, I use this one, and then just put in a prompt. You can put in a prompt at the beach, for example, and it will create something like this for you. This is the best way to screen record your footage that you can use in the editing part of the video. This is how I do it also. Then let's go to the editing parts. You can see that most videos are not really edited here, so I would go to CapCut. CapCut is probably the best platform you can use, and I would just drag and drop it. I would put in the footage of the platform on the bottom and then my AI avatar on the top. You can see that we have a watermark, so I try to hide that by putting it on the right side and then just cropping the image. With that, we created our video. You can obviously put in a lot of music and transitions, but this would make the video right now way too long. So I would just do that. Put in your avatar, put in your footage and overlay it, put in transitions, music and a lot of more things. But it's really enough. This is enough to start your journey for the beginning. And yeah, this is how I would start creating the videos and start editing the videos from day zero. This takes just a few minutes and you created your first video after just editing and creating your avatar. I needed 10 minutes for this, so you can create multiple videos a day about the news and AI tech news and start uploading right now. If you want, I can make a longer video about how to edit using AI and create actual transitions and actual motion graphics using AI, because there are a lot of AI tools that help you with that. I can show you how to create thumbnails and how to go viral on YouTube actually with AI. But for now, these are the first steps you have to take as an AI influencer. I just shown you how to start and create your first AI avatar account, but now you actually have to start with the journey. If you want, I can help you with that, so go down in the description and click on the link. But if you're not interested, just comment down below what you want to hear and what you want to know, and I will create the next video about that. Now click on the video that you see on the screen, subscribe, and see you next time.